One of the easiest ways to start building a smart home is by replacing traditional light bulbs with smart bulbs. These bulbs connect directly to smart home ecosystems, allowing you to remotely control the lighting in your home. They are budget-friendly, simple to set up, and are a part of your daily routine. With smart bulbs, you can now control your lights, schedule timers, change colors, and even use your voice through a voice assistant, all without the need for clapping. So in this video, we are going to show you the best smart bulbs to light up your life. Step into the world of smart lighting with the OREiN smart bulbs. With over 16 million colors, music sync lights which change colors with the rhythm and dimmable warm to cool whites, these bulbs offer endless possibilities for setting the perfect ambience. The app lets you create personalized scenes, even simulate sunlight for mood enhancement. Experience seamless interoperability and energy savings of up to 85% compared to traditional bulbs. They use only 8 watts of power, but are equivalent to 60 watts of brightness, making them energy efficient. The lifespan of these smart bulbs can last approximately 25,000 hours, depending on usage. You can pair these bulbs easily under 30 seconds. These bulbs boast strong cryptographic algorithms and unlimited OTA upgrades to keep your data safe. The OREiN smart bulbs are your gateway to a vibrant, secure, and energy-efficient lighting experience. The Lightinginside Smart Light bulbs are a fantastic addition to any smart home setup. With the free Smart Life app, you can easily automate your lighting using schedules, timers, plans, and biorhythm functions. They provide 550 lumens of brightness, tunable white light from 2700, 6500K, and over 16 million RGB colors to set the perfect mood for any occasion. You can shift between cool and warm light, and the music mode feature is perfect for changing color to the beat of your music. These E12 smart bulbs are easy to set up with no hub required. All you need is a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connection and the Smart Life app. With E12 sockets, it can be used anywhere, such as ceiling fan, chandelier, or porch light bulbs. The 5-watt LED light bulb can help reduce your energy bill due to the dimming function and the ability to turn lights off anytime, anywhere. Transform your home into a modern convenience with the ORALUCE Smart Light Bulb. This 60W equivalent LED bulb offers effortless installation and operation through Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity. By using the Smart Life app, you can easily control the bulbs to create the perfect ambience for any situation. With voice control through Alexa, Google Home, and more, managing your lights remotely becomes convenient. Automate your lighting with custom scenes based on weather, location, and for instant control, you can use the Tap to Run feature. Grouping bulbs and managing them collectively is simple. You can even add family members to control the bulbs. The countdown timer and schedule settings provide flexibility in managing your lighting, allowing you to set timers and schedules for up to 24 hours. The Music Sync feature adds an immersive experience by syncing the lights with music, creating a harmonious blend of sound and light. The Opple ST19 Smart light bulbs offer a seamless smart home lighting experience. With dual-mode Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, these bulbs easily integrate into your 2.4 GHz network without the need for a hub. Voice control through Alexa and Google Home allows you to effortlessly adjust the lights with simple voice commands. The Smart Life Smart Living app lets you set schedules, timers, and brightness levels to create the perfect atmosphere. The vintage-inspired LED filament design with a 2100K color temperature adds a warm, cozy touch to any space. The ability to group multiple bulbs and control them simultaneously further enhances the convenience of automating your home's lighting. Whether you're at home, in the office, or on vacation, the remote control functionality of the Opple ST19 smart light bulbs allows you to manage your lighting from anywhere. These user-friendly smart bulbs are a great addition to any smart home setup. The Nanoleaf Essentials matter. Smart bulbs come with a future-proof lighting solution for your home. With Matter compatibility, these bulbs seamlessly integrate with all major smart home ecosystems, including Apple HomeKit, Google Home, and Alexa, ensuring seamless control and interoperability. They are rated for up to 1,000 lumens of brightness and can display over 16+ million RGBW colors, allowing you to create virtually limitless lighting experiences. From the warmest to the coolest whites to a vibrant spectrum of colors, these bulbs deliver exceptional brightness and color quality. The bulb's unique geometric design adds a stylish touch, and their thread-based connectivity promises a more reliable and responsive smart home experience. With just scanning the Matter QR code, you can pair the bulb to your smart home. The app also provides a range of customization options, including color-changing animations, schedules, and routines, making it easy to set the perfect mood and ambience. Experience unparalleled and energy-efficient lighting with Tapo smart bulbs, with the ability to choose from 16 million colors and true white settings from 2500K to 6500K. Illuminate any occasion with vibrant hues or soothing whites, with a 220-degree beam angle for wider coverage, a high CRI over 90 for lifelike colors. With 800 LM brightness and adjustable dimming from 1% to 100%, set the perfect ambience effortlessly. You can easily control the lights using voice commands with Alexa or Google Home, or through the Tapo mobile app. The app allows you to create custom lighting scenes, away mode to simulate occupancy. The Tapo smart bulbs use 60% less standby power, saving you energy and money. You can also set schedules and timers to automatically turn the lights on and off, including sunrise and sunset modes based on your location. Tapo smart bulbs redefine smart home lighting, offering efficiency and endless possibilities in every glow. The MOES-Smart ST64 Edison LED light bulbs offer a versatile and convenient lighting solution. Supporting 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, these bulbs require no hub for operation, making installation and setup a breeze. The DIY color options include white light, warm light, and the ability to adjust between 16 million colors, allowing you to create the perfect ambience to suit your mood. The hands-free voice control compatibility with Alexa and Google Home enables effortless control, letting you turn the lights on/off, adjust brightness, and switch to specific colors using voice commands. Its Smart Life app provides remote control, allowing you to manage the Wi-Fi ST64 bulbs from anywhere, even when you're outside. The timer and schedule functions further enhance convenience by automating lighting changes, making your daily life more efficient and enjoyable. These smart bulbs deliver a comprehensive set of features in a user-friendly package. So these are our top picks for the best smart bulbs to light up your life. Which one are you picking to brighten up your smart home? Let us know. Thanks for watching, like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.